United.
Oslo
Led by
United.
Mr. Romel Gabi Gabriel.
Oslo United. Woo!
Team Captain Dale Familiar, number 74. Introduce Select.
Oslo Select. Where they at? Let's go! Woo! Oh, there's only two of you guys? What happened? Everybody quit?
Dalawa lang pinadala. Selected lang.
Selected talaga.
Ito pa pala si Carl na huli.
Oh.
The third team of our tournament. The first ever FFPL champions making their return to the tournament. FFPL 1 inaugural champions, Asla 96. Led by Mr. Mike Huertas. And team manager slash player, J.R. Apego. Next team, another newly established team making their debut in the FFPL 6 tournament. Team G Unit.
G Unit.
Led by FFPL 5 MVP and the guy who won it for his team Spain last season, Maynard Bajo.
Let's go! G
Team captain,
Unit.
Nico Gonzalez. Next team, give it up for the team that was established last year, 2024. One of the youngest and promising teams in Europe. Comprised of the best Filipino European players in Europe. Give it up for Batang Europa 2.0, led by team captain JC Estrella.
Let's go, Batang Europa.
Palakpakan naman.
Yeah!
And lastly, last but not the least, the three-time champions wanting to make a comeback to the finals. Give it up for our team host, Oslo Force.
Let's go, Oslo Force!
Please turn around to face the flag. As we sing our Philippine national anthem, please put your right hand onto your left side of your chest.
magdidilim. Lipad ang araw ng walhati pagsinta. Buhay langit sa piling mo, sa piling mo. Aming ligaya ng may mga aking ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Okay. I would like to introduce a good friend of mine and the founder of Batang Europa, Mr. Ken Navoa of Sweden, Pilipinas.
Alright, thank you, Good Spirit. Magandang umaga, Oslo, Norway. Magandang umaga. Thank you for inviting me as the commissioner for the FFBL Season 6. Just a flashback. When I remember 6 years ago, when I joined Kings of Europe, that was our first year, nobody knows who we are, and then we just came up 6-0 and win the Season 3 of the Kings of Europe. I play against these guys, Hasla, Shooting Stars, and also Force. And now we play against also with the defending champion last year, in past Switzerland. And now I'm standing here, we play against for each other. So I was a coach, now as a commissioner. I just want to remind you guys, before I welcome each of you, is especially the veterans, sila Neil, sila Ryan, Coach Mike. We play against, but now Coach Mike is where he plays for me now. So I'm very happy that sometimes in basketball you don't know, you play against each other, now you play for each other. And I want you, the veterans should remind you that you should show how to play the right way. Alright? Play physical but not dirty. Isn't it right, Neil? We just play right. And we have young kids here. They were the future of the Europe that they're gonna represent. We show them how we're gonna play physical, but we stay on the line. Just a reminder for you guys. And beyond that, I'm standing here as the program director of Batang Europa, and I would like to welcome the Batang Select. They're an extension team. So for the under 19 and under 17, all right, welcome Batang Select. They're players from Switzerland and mostly from Norway. And next time, we would like to welcome the Oslo United, headed by one of my players in 40 above, by Neil Familiar. Welcome. All right, and next team, very familiar for me. The new team, but still the same, Hasla. All right, welcome. Wala ba kayo mga kamay? All right, Hasla, Norway. Headed by Coach G.R. Apuigo and Coach Mike Huertas. And the next team, this is very familiar faces too. The G Unit, headed by the reigning MVP, Minard Bajo. Anak yan ni Jimbel Torion ng Argao. And the next team, the fifth team is the Batang Europa. Let's welcome Batang Europa. Good luck. And the last but not the least, all right, the home team, the Oslo Force Norway. All right, welcome everyone, and I hope, and every tournament that I've been there, now I just want to tell you that in everything you do, from Coach Jan Califari, you give 100%. Just give 100%. Just play the right way, give your best. Play physical, but you don't play dirty. And remember, like winners don't just win trophies. You have to win respect, guys. All right, good luck, everyone. Good luck. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you, Coach Ken. And now, for our oath of sportsmanship, we'd like to call on our MVP of the last season, Season 5, where he stole the ball, went all the way to make a to send the game to overtime is the Maynard Pajo of Team G Unit.
Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I state your name. I, Maynard Pajo, as a player of the Filipino First Basketball League Season 6, do solemnly swear that I will honor the game of basketball with respect, discipline, and heart. I will play hard, but I will play fair. I respect my teammates, my coaches, my opponents, and the officials at all times. I will accept every call with humility and focus on the next play. Not on anger or excuses. I will control my words, my actions, and my temper. Remembering that I represent my team, my family, and the Filipino First community. In victory, I will be humble. In defeat, I will be gracious. I will give my best effort in every practice, in every game, and I will never quit on my team. Today, I promise to uphold the spirits of sportsmanship, to complete with integrity, and to make Season 6 of Filipino First Basketball League a season of respect, unity, and fair play. So help me God.
Thank you, Maynard. Okay, now we declare.
Alright, the FNBL Season 6 is officially open. Alright, good luck. Good luck, everyone.
Proceed.